You know that feeling. You're halfway up a mountain, legs burning, lungs on fire, and you start thinking, why am I doing this? Because sometimes life feels just like that. Fel rhedeg ras hir, a long run. Sometimes you're flying, other days you're just trying to keep going. In many ways, that's what CVM Cymru is about. Dynion ledled Cymru, men all across Wales, running the race of life together, doing what they can to introduce their mates to Jesus. Faith, fees, family, teulu, work, gwaith, peth a bywyd go iawn, real life stuff. We know it's not always easy to keep going on your own. Living life in the company of others makes all of us a lot stronger. Dyma pam dan ni yma. That's why we're here. To help men discover what real faith looks like. To resource and equip each other to share God's good news with our mates. Newyddion da Duw. Dyma'r hyn mae angen ein ffrindiau ei glywed. Not religion, not rules. Just Jesus, dim ond Iesu. The one who gives us the strength to keep on running. Because he's already run the race before we ever laced up our shoes. And he's waiting for all of us at the finishing line. At the end of the day, this race isn't about speed. Mae'n ymwneud y cyfeiriad, it's about direction. So whether you're sprinting, stumbling, or just starting out, we need to run this race together, in the company of other men, standing shoulder to shoulder. So, dewch I rhedeg efo ni, come and run with other men across Cymru with CVM Cymru. Helping men across Wales find life, purpose and faith that lasts the distance, and resourcing men to share it with their mates.